Hi Glam Dolls, welcome back to the Glam Girl Guide channel. I am Charnay and today we're going to be creating crop tops. So let's get right into this video. The only things that you will need are whatever shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, or whatever you want to crop, a pair of scissors, and markers to mark your cutting lines if you want to. Some people like uneven lines or just like a vintage look, so you probably won't need markers. But if it's your first time and you are certain that you need like accuracy, go ahead and grab your markers. If this is your first time, you may want to get a practice shirt just to mess up, see what your do's and don'ts are, if your scissors are sharp enough or whatever. So I do have my practice shirt to run through, and then we'll go ahead and get into the making of the shirt. My style is more of the oversized t-shirt crop tops because I am tall, so I like to buy the men's shirts that are like extra large or 2X and then cut those. This is my first crop top here. This was a shirt from Target and this was a size 2X. So this is my favorite crop top. I don't like my stomach out that much, so I crop my shirts enough for it to look cropped, but not have my stomach and things out unless it's like a summertime vibe. But just to show you, this is how it will look. But don't get me wrong, if you love to crop even more, you can crop. So yeah. So today we're going to get straight into it, and I'm going to be doing 5 shirts. So let's go. Okay, so the first step you want to do is probably like try your shirt on to see where you want it to stop. Some people like the boobs, some people like midriff, some people just like a longer tee but still cropped like me. So this is my practice shirt. We're going to practice first. So let's practice. This shirt is a size large. So if I wanted to crop this one, okay, so this is my practice shirt. As you can see, you can't. This is my practice shirt, and it goes right below my foot. So however you would like to crop it, you make that mark on your shirt. So since I never do like belly shirts, I'll mark it to my belly button. So here. So that's where I would draw my line. And if this is your first time, you definitely want to use a ruler if you need to. If you don't need a ruler, you don't need a ruler. I mean, it's cropping. Definitely sketch it out. And then with your scissors, you're just basically going to cut. Make sure both sides of the shirt is even, front and back, because you want your shirt to be even. Unless you want your back to be more longer than your front, or however, you can also do that type of thing. But for me, we're just going straight across. So what you want to do is basically cut above that line. If your scissors are very sharp, you can really just go straight on through. Or if you have a cutting system thing at home that teachers use, one-stop shop. And now you have a crop top. Like I said, I was gonna leave my belly out, so let's see how it looks. Yeah. So now it's cropped. Crop top shawty. And mind you, you can do this with hoodies, sweatshirts, long sleeve shirts, anything. So
baby, when you ready, hit my line. Tell me what you wanna do. I know you see I'm feeling you.
okay, so now we're going to get into this Kylie and Travis shirt. This shirt is a size extra large. Part, I know I'm going to have to cut Travis off a little bit, just for the simple fact that the graphic on it is super long, so Travis has to get cut a little bit. I might cut up into his chain because I like the chain on him. So yeah. Again, if you need to mark, go ahead and mark, but I'm pretty good at how I want my shirts to look and where they need to stop, so I won't be marking at all.
So baby, when you ready, hit my line. Tell me what you wanna do. I know you see I'm feeling you. Don't stop, pop that, 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 don't stop, when I throw it back, don't stop, don't stop, ready for this work, now watch it, don't stop,
For this shirt, I'm thinking a little bit more cropped, so I might crop it up into Kim, like here. So I'm getting rid of all the rest of the shirt. So this is going to be like a true crop top.
So baby, when you ready, hit my line. Tell me what you wanna do. I know you see I'm feeling you. Don't stop, pop that, 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 don't stop, when I throw it back, don't stop, pop that, don't stop, ready for this work, now watch it, don't stop,
This shirt is also an extra large. This shirt is from Walmart, $7.
So baby, when you ready, hit my line. Tell me what you wanna do. I know you see I'm feeling you. Don't stop, pop that, 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 don't stop.
Tie-dye shirt is from Target. Let's see. My next shirt is from Target. This one is a size 2X. This one is a 2X, so this one's going to be a little bigger, like my Rolling Stones one I showed you in the beginning of the video. So this one is a little bit more oversized. And again, girls, you can do this with tight fitting tees as well. So don't think you have to have an oversized shirt. That's just my look because I like high-waisted shorts, high-waisted jeans, and things like that. So it's just easier for me to pair those shirts with those bottoms. And I have long legs and all kind of things like that. So, and I don't like my stomach out like that unless I'm just like on vacation or something. So, yeah. So I'm gonna cut this one, and then our last one will be the button-down one.
So baby, when you're ready, hit my line. Tell me what you wanna do. I know you see I'm feeling you. Don't stop, pop that, 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 don't stop, when I know we're ready, fast enough, don't stop, pop that,
T-shirts are very easy. Like I said, if you need a straight line, you can do this with a ruler. Draw the line across your shirt. If you're not a perfectionist or don't mind your shirt being, you know, like just a straight snip, then you do not have to use a ruler or draw the lines. If you mess up, just crop it a little bit more. It's fine. It's totally fine. So now we're going to do a button-down shirt. We're gonna use this yellow one that I didn't really wear. And this is like, it's from the Gap and it's a size 6. So this one will be a little bit more fitted. I should have pressed it out for us. But I'm gonna button it up. And I figured this would be cute with denim shorts or a white pair of shorts for summer or spring. If you like cropping your shirts. It's hot out here in Houston now, so yeah. You can also use the men's shirts if you want. The camera died on me. But if you can also use men's shirts, any shirt that you would like. Remember, you're just cutting, so it's not that big of a deal. We're gonna crop this one. So I'm basically going to cut off from the 2 buttons down. So let's view that. All right. So we're gonna crop this one to where you can wear, you know, people have been wearing like the little lace underbra thing, bralette, the lace bralette under. So we're gonna crop that so that you can see that, or leave it a button so that you can wear your lace bralette under, if that's what you're into. Yeah, so we're gonna try that. Let's get into that part. That is in place. We're going to cut right above it so that you do not see the blue marker. this one is cropped. It's crop. The DIY on how to cut. Again, you can do that on a sweatshirt, a hoodie, any type of fabric. Okay, so you're able to crop whatever you want.
My attitude.